All right, y'all. So it is Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday. See, it's Wednesday. I just got done with some calls for work related. So right now I'm in the bed. I just sent my group good morning messages. Right now it's 9 o'clock. Well, it's like 9:19 a.m. right now. So I'm about to go into the market. First things first, what I typically like to do, don't mind the noise if you hear it. Those are the lawnmowers, people mowing the yard right now. So right now, guys, I have my phone, as y'all can see, and I'm going into my MT4. What I like to do is I try to figure out, like y'all already know, is I try to figure out the trend on the day chart, and then going from there, the 4 hour, 1 hour, and then my 15-minute chart is basically my entry point chart that I use to figure out what's the price entry that I want to get into, what's the TP, etc., etc. So usually I go into my MT4 account and get the vibes based off of that market. Of course, you guys know I already only trade NAS. So once I figure out the trend, once I figure out what I want to do, as far as like the buy stop or the sell stop, I send that information over to my team because I don't want them missing out on some good money. And then once I sent that out and once I placed it into my account on my MT4, then I go to my Holoprime account. And then from my Holoprime account, it goes from there. So, yeah. So I have two accounts. I use CoinX and then I use Holoprime. Holoprime is a really, really good prop firm account, guys. I mean, it's just a really, really good prop firm if you're looking to basically start off with a lot of money but investing so little. Like, I mean, you can get a large account for just $50. I wish we had access to this when I first got introduced to Forex, because I blew a lot of money, especially trying to make money from Forex. I lost a lot more than what I gained, and that's okay, because here we are now. Here I am teaching y'all, and if you know my journey, you know. So we're gonna go from there.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been.
Right. So right now, y'all, I'm about to go see the overall trend. So just looking at the overall trend, I see that it is an uptrend on the day chart. So I'm about to go to the 4 hour just to determine. 4 hour is a little bit more showing. Well, it does overall show an uptrend, so I'm gonna give it that. And then the 1 hour, the 1 hour is actually not showing an uptrend. It looks like it is reversing back into an uptrend, so I'll take that as well. So let's look at our M15. So right now the market for NAS has definitely gone up. Yesterday it was around 23, I want to say 200s. Right now it made some progress as far as movement. Right now it's at 23,419. So it did go up. So actually with this situation right now, guys, I really want to wait for it to pull down, for me to kind of go in for a buy stop, simply because I'm looking at it as the momentum and the movement of this chart right now. It hasn't hit the 430 mark, and I'm a little hesitant on that. And when I feel a little hesitant, I don't want to go into the market. I want to feel 100% confident when I place my executions. When I don't feel confident, then don't trade. Word of advice, y'all. So we're just going to actually go back to the past and see what has NAS done before. So in the past, it did hit 430 before. Currently, right now, it's at about 413. What I could do is I could go in at 419, but as you guys can already see, it's been tapping it for some time. So I know for a fact that it is going to hit 430 eventually. So that does build my confidence now because already it's at 420. So, you know, based on that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create another resistant line. I'm going to do it at these candles here. Again, I go for the flat bottoms, flat tops. I go for the same candlesticks that look the same. I go for the same wicks. Those are basically the candles that I'm looking for when I create my support and my resistance. So right now we have 23,430, and then we also have 23,442. In the past, it has went up as far as 467. But what I'm actually going to go in is I'm going to do 430 as a buy stop, as you guys can see here. And then TP is going to be 442. Let me hurry up and let my team know, y'all. All right, so Masi said good morning. Good morning, girl. All right, so let's make sure it has not hit. So it did not hit. I'm going to send that to them. I'm actually going to send a TP2 at 451 as well, guys, just so that they can kind of get in some movement going and some profits, especially if they do not see my message yet. All right, so that is how I do things. So we're gonna actually come back to this once the market has profited, or once our TP has profited. So now I'm about to go to my Holoprime account and do the same exact thing, guys. So I'm in my account. All right, so I'm in my account. What I'm about to do is I'm about to find NAS. Okay, so NAS is not in my top movers, so I gotta go ahead and search it, which is fine. Go here. So, okay, so on Hola, it's already reached 430. So I know on my MT4 that it has already activated. So based on that, guys, I'm gonna go in for a pending. Y'all already know. Go for 23,442. Let's do the take profit. 23,450. Let's do 452. There it goes. So okay. Let's actually do this up to 4. Okay, so it lets me know. So if I go based off of that, guys, it's gonna allow me to make $40. I don't want to just make $40. So it looks like, okay, so the market has gone down. Let's go to the price being 23,430. All right, so we could make $88, but do I actually want to make that? No, I don't. So let's go. Because since this is my larger account, I want to make a little bit more, guys. And that's what I love about Hola Prime is like they actually count the pips for you to let you know, okay, this is your potential of what you can possibly make. You know what I'm saying? So we can go with this. All right, so the pending order successfully has been added. So we'll go from there. All right, y'all. So I don't know if y'all could see that, but I'm about to close out. I made 1,900. Let's see if we can get to 2,000. No, we just gonna close out, y'all. All right. And we made $25. I'm good with that because this is my smaller account. I'm actually compounding this account on my CoinEx, so I'm okay with that. I'm okay with making 25 because it's literally what I need to make per day to compound. So I'm good with that. I'm gonna let everyone know that the TP has been set. All right, so Michael Young has already told me. Why I keep trying to tell these people's whole names? So Michael told me that both TPs hit, which it did. So I just like to confirm and let them know both TPs hit. All right. All right. So it's a Wednesday, guys. This is actually a short week for us. So I really can't complain. I'm really excited. So I made close to 30 bucks on my CoinEx account. As y'all can see, it is definitely under $1,000, but I grew this account when it was just at $200, guys. So I'm actually really proud of myself for being consistent and taking what the market is giving me. So if y'all want to know how to compound smaller accounts and then turn it into a larger account, just comment in the comment section. Let me know. We can definitely do some sort of challenge on that. But anyway, I'm actually about to get my day started, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. We'll get back at it again, but I am very happy. Like Cola Prime, we made over 1,000, and then in my CoinEx, we made over 20 bucks. Can't complain. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday, so this is pretty much the last day that I trade for the week. So let's see what the market is going to give to us. I'm not feeling the best, guys, but the show must continue on. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So as you can see right now, the market right now is at 400. So it's like kind of going back and forth. Yesterday it was around the 500s. It looks like it's trying to push back up again. So I'm actually going to go into the market at 23,442 before it hits there. And then my TP is going to be 457 and then 467. Let me actually go ahead and do that now. Ah, it's already there. Oh my gosh, no. Okay. Okay, it didn't hit there. I'm gonna go in there again at 457. And then I'm gonna do 467. All right. Now I'm about to go to my team's chat and let them know what I'm doing. Oh, 457, 467. All right, so I sent out my thing. All right, guys. So I sent it out. We're going to see. We're going to come back and see how much we made, etc. Now I'm about to go to the now I'm about to go to Hola Prime. So I'm on Hola Prime right now. I'm about to go to NAS. Let's see here. All right, so right now It's already so with Hola Prime. So CoinEx is a little bit behind. So um, it definitely has already like reached the 467 whatever. So in this case, since I can't really copy and paste the same trade that I did for CoinEx, I'm just going to basically go in and create my excuse me guys. I'm going to create my support and my resistant lines. Um, so yeah. All right. So is that for I'm gonna do it again. All right. All right, so for Hola Prime, I'm actually going to go in. So it had drawn down. With Hola Prime, I'm just gonna actually go in for 484 to 504 because it does have the width power to go there. So I'm actually just gonna do the same thing that I did yesterday. We're just gonna go up on our okay 23 484. So when I want to go, I'm gonna do my take profit here. I want to do buy, and I'm gonna do 23,504. 23,504 is my TP. We're gonna go ahead and buy. Okay. So right now it's currently waiting. Okay. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? In 2 days, close to 2,000. Period. On my Hola Prime account. So woo woo on that. I'm super excited. Yeah, y'all. This was a really good week. Like I'm really, really proud. Really, really proud. And then on my CoinEx, just to be transparent with y'all, I made $20. $20. Very pleased, very happy. So now my account now, again, guys, this was a $200 account. Now it is at 800 and what, $63. You do the math. So we are definitely on schedule with my CoinEx account as far as getting it to 1,000 very shortly. I believe that we can get it to 1,000 sometime next week, since because we do have a fuller week. It will be Monday through Thursday. But the key to trading, guys, literally is just being consistent. If you feel that trading is not for you, if you feel like all of the negative thoughts about trading, join my group and I promise you it will change your mind. I do plan on every week just showing you guys how I go about with these trades, and hopefully it just motivates you and inspires you to join the group. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.